Hello dear students. Now we move to another important character in my son's story, and this character is Sonny. Sonny, as we all know, is the protagonist of this novel, My Son's Story. He is a very humble school teacher, as we get to know about him from the reflections of his son. And when it is my son's story, it is his son, that is Sonny's son. So we mean to say that Sonny occupies the center space. The main action takes place because of him, and the story is moving forward because of Sonny. And we get to know that Sonny doesn't have any support in his life as far as his ancestors are concerned, because they were menial laborers. Even his father was just a garage owner. So he is a self-made man. I believe that is where you need to look at the character of Sonny. He is blessed with intelligence, so he has done well in his studies. He has succeeded in getting a job as a school teacher, and he is a very efficient teacher. He is very committed to his profession, and he is quite innovative. He does so many things for the student, for the upliftment of the students. He is a very popular teacher, liked by the students, liked by his colleagues, and so we have a very strong and positive character here. And once again, it is his journey that we are talking of. So when we are going to take this character, you need not start from where the novel opens, which is somewhere in the middle of the story. You need not talk about his involvement with Hannah. You need to somewhere bring a chronology when you are going to discuss the character of Sonny. And we must say that how he grows from strength to strength. So already it is a very positive image. He's a very good husband. He's a very good father. He loves his children a lot. He's very fond of his wife. He's a very satisfied man, and he has lot of potential, and he is contributing a lot when it comes to the field of education. So these are some of the qualities that you can take up to when you start talking about this character. Then you must say that how there comes a turn in his life also. How though he was sympathetic towards the real black, but he was not inclined to get involved in the resistance movement. It was only when things got out of control which disturbed him. And somewhere his affection towards the students, he could not see them suffer, and that touched his heart. See, if you remember, when his cousins were talking to him about the problems they were facing, that they were involved in the activist movement, he did not at that time choose to join the movement. What really touched his heart was the plight, the suffering of the students, the violence which happened around with such children who were at such a young age, and there he could not shut his eyes, and that is where we see him emerge as a hero, and he joins the movement. Then he's a very good orator. His writing abilities are excellent. So these are all the positive qualities. So from a good husband, a good father, a good teacher, a wonderful orator, an ability to read and write, all these are the positive traits of his personality. A very strong character indeed. And all these abilities are noticed by the resistance movement, and he plays a very active role. Even when he is detained in the prison, even when he faces the trial, we realize that he's become a public figure. He's very heroic here. He is becoming stronger and stronger. Not that he doesn't care for his family, not that he's drifted away from the family, but he has poured his energy more into the political cause for freedom. And this is how we see the leaders when they participate in such kind of movements. Now, where comes the negative traits in his character? This we need to look at, and his involvement with Hannah Plowman is to be interrogated by you as students when you are trying to peep and understand his character. Because he is a very devoted, a dedicated kind of man, so this relationship is also a very, very, you can say, sincere one. And it affects both his family life as well as the cause for which he has become an activist. Now this relation becomes central for him, and he is he's focusing more energy in this relationship than even his movement. He knows that people in the movement are not liking what he is doing, but he cannot help it, and he's deriving a lot of satisfaction in his relationship. And there we find the downfall taking place, and his significance becomes less in the movement. And then comes the time when Hannah has to leave him, and he's disturbed. He's not able to take this separation very positively. It somewhere shatters him. And then his wife also is spending more time with his daughter. So gradually you see that his daughter has left the country, then his wife is spending more time with the daughter, and there is already a friction as far as his relation with his son is concerned. But we also find that when all the women characters move away from the life of Sonny, somewhere he comes closer to his son. Somewhere his involvement with the movement is also to be seen, though his significance has reduced. But we see that he is still a strong man, he's devoted to the cause, and he takes up many things in a very right spirit, you know. He is, though he is disturbed when his house is burnt, he goes inside his house, when he comes out his hands are black, but somewhere that is where you see when he very forcefully asserts that they will rise from these ashes and these fires cannot destroy them. So somewhere is his heroic nature is to be seen, and his strength is to be seen. So I believe you should be able to identify all these positive aspects in his character. And I also believe that Sonny is a strong man. He's more of a positive character. The negative traits are less in his character. He has a kind of tragic flaw, if you want to call it that way. I mean, it is one a negative trait in his character. But if you see that he's a very sensitive man, he's very passionate, very devoted, and somewhere the blacks had the dream of having a relation with the white, which he too obviously had. So we may accept that this is lacuna in his character, and which of course is responsible for his downfall also. But even as the novel moves towards an end, we find that Sonny is still a very dynamic and a very strong character. So with this, I'm sure you will be able to prepare your answer on Sonny's character, and you're going to do well. You can use the textual quotes as far as the different phases in the journey in the life of Sonny is concerned. So thank you, dear students.